Hey Don, you close it up. Alright, get up. First sergeant.
Elevating. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh!
Video. Video, guys.
Insert that VCU for you. Alright, now you're good to go, okay? So what you're going to do now is as soon as you're ready, you're going to activate that missile using the SNA switch. Alright, you hear that? It's a little faint. Alright, as you do that, start super elevating. You're going to bury that aircraft in that center. You got the 3 boxes. You're going to bury it in that center. And that suit's going to we'll form 2 lines. We're just going to run through it, okay? Until you guys get comfortable. This is going to be a missile, but a simulation here. Sure.
Try to get that tower out there. It should pick that up. The top. Make sure you're super elevating. Make sure try to get it on that tower up there. And do figure
You sound patient.
once you uncage, like once it rings like that, you can uncage. But you.
So as soon as I get you gotta Alright, make sure your hands up here. Alright, here guys, move left and right. What are you gonna do? You can look through it if you look at it. You see this right here? Yeah, you see this. Yeah, and then when you super elevate, put it down.
16 out there. You're still missing 2.
Yeah, and that GG and Lamelli.
Yeah.
There's 16 here.
Right here. Way, and then you will let the pittance yos do what needs to be done. That's it. Ready to go. Good. All right. We're going to the very edge.